CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.5 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tools. SFC. The SFC command, short for System File Checker, is a command line utility used to scan and repair protected system files on a Windows computer. The command helps you ensure that your important system files are intact and not corrupted. Think of it as a health check for your computer's vital files. When you run the SFC command, it scans your system files for any issues. If it finds any corrupted or missing files, it can replace them with the correct versions. This is particularly useful when you encounter error messages about missing or corrupted system files. To use the SFC command, you need to open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Then, in the command prompt window, type sfc/scan now and press enter. This command will start the system file checker and begin scanning all protected system files. If any issues are found, SFC will attempt to repair them by replacing the corrupted or missing files with the correct versions. The SFC command is a valuable tool for maintaining the integrity of your system files. By scanning and repairing corrupted or missing files, it helps resolve various issues that can affect the stability and functionality of your computer. However, there are potential problems to be aware of. If there are underlying hardware issues, such as a failing hard drive, the command might not be able to resolve all problems. In such cases, further troubleshooting such as running the check disk command or possibly replacing faulty hardware may be necessary. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.